give ult.
first. Oh, I'm lagging real bad. I'm lagging real bad.
He heals.
I'm lagging real bad. I'm lagging real bad. Emo boy, can you hear me?
Just stall.
Emo boy.
One more fight. One more
Emo
fight.
boy.
We got it to 99. We're good.
I just lag. I'm done. I'm DCing. What the fuck happened? What the
My
fuck?
boy's lagging out.
What the
My boy's
fuck
lagging.
happened? What the fuck just happened?
My
It's just
boy
a
got
black
something.
screen. What the
My
fuck?
boy's
Dude?
lagging.
What the
We
fuck,
can't
dude?
lie
What
right
the
now.
fuck just happened? It's the loading screen again. What the fuck?
He's loading.
What the
My
fuck?
son's loading
I
the
just,
game again.
I'm in. What the fuck, dude? I
fine,
just
fine,
got
fine,
into
we
the
got this,
game. You know how like when it first shows up with
5v5,
people?
let's go.
What the fuck, dude? What the fuck,
Tracer right
Blizzard?
side. Tracer right here.
She.
No recall. Tracer, no recall again. Get monkey.
Body block.
Easy.
You guys see that body block right there? I want to
Your
see.
Hell
game,
yeah,
right?
dude, I did.
Dude, my game
So good.
fucking broke. What the fuck?
I've seen that on XQC's stream. Like, what the fuck?